As the cases continue to climb for novel coronavirus, Governor Herbert is urging people not to panic. He says government is open and businesses are open too, but they do have to adapt to COVID-19.
Fox 13's Ben Winslow is live on Capitol Hill this afternoon. Hi, Ben.
Hi, the governor and business leaders held a news conference today to discuss what they are doing to keep the state going as unemployment begins to surge because of the novel coronavirus. Now, he is also trying to squelch a lot of rumors and misinformation out there.
The rumors of complete shutdown or bringing out the National Guard and those kinds of egregious activities are, in fact, nothing more than.
Gary Herbert called the COVID-19 pandemic a short-term problem. Utah business and industry leaders are doing what they can to keep going.
There are lots of businesses that are still open for business.
The head of the Salt Lake Chamber says unemployment is climbing.
It's not surprising. They're spiking in a week's time at about the same level as we saw going into the Great Recession over a week's time, and you can guess what the industries are. We know that tourism and hospitality and food service is being hurt the most.
But business leaders say they're adapting to help people get through this.
We're offering loan payment deferrals for 90 days.
Some businesses are offering breaks to customers.
That AT&T won't terminate service and will waive late payment fees.
But the hardest hit industries are asking for your support.
Now is the time. If you have a favorite restaurant that you want to see survive this crisis, go there today, go there tomorrow, eat as many meals as you possibly can at that restaurant in order to support the workers and the business owners.
The governor says he's trying to ensure that Utahns can still live their lives.
There is no intent at the present time to have any kind of a curfew or quarantine or lock people up. We want people to have as normal a life as they can possibly have under this unique situation.
The governor directed Salt Lake and Utah counties to walk back an order that banned gatherings of 10 or more people, even threatening misdemeanor charges.
You have families that are bigger than 10, for heaven's sake.
Instead, he strongly recommends people don't and urged them to use common sense.
We're going to overcome this problem. Adapt, innovate, overcome. We can do that.
Now, in an effort to try to get back to some normalcy, the governor even expressed an idea that he'd like to see if they could explore the possibility of restaurants and movie theaters reopening with appropriate social distance measures in place. Now, he would not commit to it, to be clear, but he says it is something he'd like to see if it is even possible to do. Live on the Hill, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.